Scott Stern, a current 2GIG customer, explains why he picked 2GIG out of all the home security choices on the market.
And I think that what people look at when they look for security it's interesting. You want reliability, okay? You want versatility. You want the capability of having it be simple, and you want it to be fully functional. And 2GIG brings you that. The other thing that I look at is on the reliability side of it. It isn't the reliability of whether the product works or not. It does, and it works flawlessly. The reliability factor is, how many times do the police have to come out here for false alarms? And the answer is none. I've had it installed for well over a year, and I have never had any kind of police emergency with them knocking on the door for a false alarm. That's important. And the security is the security of your house, it's the security of your family. And 2GIG puts that first. As far as the simplicity goes, can't find an easier way to work it. It's touch panel, it's clear, it's well designed, and it enunciates and shows what's taking place. You couldn't ask for anything more. The other thing you have to remember is, you're not set the day you get it. You can always add to it and expand it. That's what I've sort of done. I've grown into my system as you can financially afford it, as your needs are there, and as your lifestyle changes. So those are all important things.